Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to enable closed caption for Instagram video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so, having you open up your Instagram, next thing you need to do is to simply select the actual video that you want to enable your closed caption in whatever language of your choice. So let's, for instance, I want to use this particular video as an example. What I need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. Then this is going to open up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on close captions. Just like so. This is going to pop up. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here. Just like so. Then with that, I can simply go back to the video, and when I play the video, and the closed caption is going to be displayed based on my language. As you can see right here, we have closed caption to this particular video. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable closed caption to any Instagram video, and this will allow you to be able to understand what the video is all about. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.